Today we're going to introduce the Kongari Sakanayaki Pack, a new device from Japan. Each pack contains 4 of these disposable microwave cooking implements. Here you see the inside of one of the trays. So first of all, you'll need some fish. In this case we've selected a lovely, delicious 200 yen piece of salmon. Take the salmon out of its wrapping and place it on the disposable tray, like this. Okay, when you've placed the fish in a tray, close the tray like this. Place the tray in the microwave. Set the microwave to 500 watts and the time to 3 minutes 20 seconds. Any noise you can hear is not a problem. If you're cooking the fish from frozen, please make sure that you first defrost the fish before placing it in the microwave. Check the fish, and if it's not fully cooked, cook it again for 10 seconds at the same temperature. And there we have it, beautiful salmon ready to eat. Now you can use this tray once again within 2 hours.